In 1 week, I was able to grow my channel subscription from 1.5 subscribers to 7,000 plus subscribers. And then my views, general view in my channel, I was able to grow it from 700 views to 2 point something million views. Yes, it's possible. And then how did I get that? How was I able to do that? I did that through silent live streaming. I didn't show my face. That shows that silent live stream works. So if you are the kind of person that your videos, or maybe when you go live direct showing your face and talking, that you get views and get subscribers, please do. I'm not saying that it doesn't work. I'm also here to say that silent live stream also work. Yeah, it works perfectly well if you know how to navigate it and if you know how to go about it. There are three ways you can go live and do silent live stream. Yeah, number one, you can do silent live stream through your YouTube, direct live stream from YouTube. You just place your, just like the way you want to go live, you click on it and then mute the mic and look for a wonderful frame or beautiful frame or anything, or teddy bear or anything. You place your camera there and then go about your daily activity, or go and do your cooking or anything, and then people will come and be communicating and all that. But don't forget, once in a while you can come in and reply comments so that you will get views, and then steady views. That is the most important thing in the silent live stream. Yes, in as much as you're not showing your face, you are not using your voice, you can also engage in the comment section. Yeah, if you don't want to do that, you can put a clip, maybe using your own video clip. So many people have done that. I have done that. When I started my Restream, I used one of my video on popcorn, and that was when my Restream picked up, because I was wow, how was it, how possible it is that I can just put popcorn clip, the popcorn was just popping and they were just busy enjoying the popcorn stuff. Yeah, so you can use your video to go viral on a silent live stream, and you can also use other people's video, but make sure that you edit it properly so that you will not get any copyright or any copyright strike or any copyright claim on it. Yeah, you can use your video, you can use other people's video, but you make sure you edit it. Then you can use a Restream, or you can use a StreamYard. There are other Restream or streaming app out there that you can use outside StreamYard and Restream. Yes, with this you can see that on a silent live stream work, and that I always get a lot of questions. Was it your the views and the subscribers and watch hour you got from your Restream that you used to get monetized? Yes, my watch hour was around 1,500, and then I used Restream to complete the 4,000 in 1 week, and that was what I used to get monetized. And so many people call, they will start sharing means that is not necessary. Somebody came and asked that he has heard a lot of things that even if you get views and watch hour from Restream, you're not going to monetize with it. That is a no. You can get monetized with your watch hour and subscribers you got from Restream, silent Restream. Yes. Another one is that they've been trying multiple times, they're not getting views, they've tried multiple times and it's not working for them. I'll keep saying it. Keep trying to get a video your audience wants and love. When you get what they want, they will stick. I've done several of them and it still went viral. I did fish cutting asthma, and I got a lot of views from it. Yes, I got a lot of views, a lot of watch hour. I think that one I got 2 point something, 2,000, watch hour or thereabout. And then I do octopus. In fact, that is the major one I'm doing, because I always get a lot of views and a lot of watch hour from it. I've gotten like 3.7 4,000 watch hour and thereabouts. I've gotten almost 4,000 watch hour from Octopus. I've done a well, deep, deep well where you fetch water, and also got a lot of views. I think I got up to 1,000 views, 100 or plus views, and then I also watch hour. There's up to 500 watch hour and all that. So it works. I don't know why you keep saying that it's not working. And then another question is that they would go live and in 15 minutes, 10 minutes, it will end. That means you're not doing the right thing. If you are doing the right thing, it will work for you. Look at it now. You see a lot of people that testify of giving feedback that it's working for them. There are a lot of my besties. If you check it, you will know that they are doing it, and they are also testifying in the comment section that these things are working for them. And some of them have even given me super chats and super stickers that I, appreciating what I, tutorial I gave on that. If it's not working for you, that means you are not doing the needful. You're not doing the right thing, or maybe you're not going through the right site. Yeah, Restream, there is a black one and the blue one that has kind of purple on it. That is the one you will go for. The one that has a blue kind of purple background on it. That is the main site for Restream. And I have been doing Restream for a long time now. And yet I am still on the free version. Yes, I've not upgraded to a paid version. And that means if you are going through the wrong way, you'll be getting the one that will ask you to pay first to upgrade before you can be able to stream from it. Or if you download the app, definitely you're going to use the paid version for it. So that is why I advise, don't use the app. Go through the site, go to your browser, type in restream.io, and when it open, go in with your email that is the same email for with your channel. Go in with it, open it, and then you stream. Very, very important. And if you do that, there is no way your video will cut short 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or from the time it starts. And then if you're not getting view, make sure you check your category on your live streaming. The ones that go more is people and blogs, and then entertainment. So anytime you are going live, if you have two phones, you can go to your back end, your studio, to go and check that particular live stream and put it in people on and blogs, or you put it in entertainment. So look, all these things are the things that you need to put in place. By the time we finish it and you now say that it's not working, that means it's not working for you. I have a friend too. I am so sorry that this thing is happening to her. She has tried everything. She has set the category. She has done all manner, but yet it's not working for her. That means I don't know what to say. And I cannot say that Restream is not for everybody. It's for everybody, and maybe is restricted in that particular area or particular part of the country, or something that I can't say because I am not I am not a Restream member or partner. So these are the things that you need to put in place. By the time you go live, you will be having views, multiple views. Like now, I can say I have up to 2.2 million views in my channel, and I have multiple watch hour. Now that I don't need watch hour is just coming like water. So do the needful. If you want to get monetized this year, venture into or hop into this Restream and get it done and do it the right way, and thank me later, because I know it will work for you. Now that I'm doing it, I'm not doing it because of the watch hour or because of anything. I'm doing it because I'm earning from it. Yes, I'm earning from it. I'm getting, hours played during and after I've ended the live streaming. So it's working for me, and that's why I'm still streaming, with Restream and all that. I can still go live if I want to, talk with my besties or do question and answer, Q&A and all that stuff. I can still show my face and do live and all those stuff. But this one is giving me a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, and a lot of watch hour. Yeah, so you can hop in and get that, done. Yes, if I watch up until this time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. You can as well hop into the membership and get a lovely, perks and wonderful, opportunities and things. Yeah. And all the same time, look out for my video on Be Warned. That's how to stream the right way. And then I have multiple videos on Restream as well, on how you can go about it, step by step tutorial on how you can go about your Restream setting. So this video is to let you know that silent live stream pays, and I know it will pay for you. Yeah, it will work for you just the way it worked for me. See you in my next video. Ciao ciao. Bye.